If you need to find a filter dryer, you have the option of searching by model number. So if you know the model number of the filter dryer that needs to be replaced, enter it in the cross-reference field. And you can see that, in this case, P502-C032S is the Totaline dryer you want. The other option is to search by certain criteria. You'll need to know all of the following: the required line type, connection type, dryer type, and connection size. And there are your options. Just choose the one with the correct desiccant and system tonnage. You can also export the parts list to an Excel doc and use the drop-down menu here to select and search different product families if needed. And if you have any problems, contact customer service.